What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to a new video on a new crypto gem. And I know the thumbnail is a little bit of a clickbait, but it is 100% true in my opinion at least. This is a very small market cap project. I think it has tremendous value for you and I would definitely recommend you to use it because they have their own platform / product as well, which you can actually use right now to find other crypto gems. But yeah, altogether, great project. I found out about it through some people I follow on Twitter. This is not promoted, this is not paid for, this is genuinely, I think, a great project. So I wanted to tell you about it, briefly about the project. We'll do a showcase of their own platform. And we'll talk about some tokenomics as well. So in the end, you at least know everything about the project. I'll try to keep the video a little bit short, all right, so that you can watch it easily. But having said that, let's get into it. And by the way, I do want to mention as well, I'm a full-time trader. If you want to become a better or more profitable trader and join my own exclusive traders chat room, but also gain access to my own trades, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, as you can see at the top right there. But now let's get into Alphascan, because the project we will be talking about is called Alphascan. All right, and I wanted to start off with a brief introduction on what the project is. All right, so right now, Alphascan basically has two different parts to it. All right, and one of those parts also has multiple other features. But basically, they have a platform for alpha, all right? So for real news about small crypto gems, for example, Pepe, the meme coin that we all know, first was very, very big on Twitter. And Alphascan allows you to analyze that and to find cryptos like that. And apart from that, they also have their own Telegram trading bot, which is a bit of a narrative right now, which allows you to trade cryptos very efficiently via Telegram. But that's briefly what it is. You can also see that on in the white paper. I'll leave links, by the way, in the description to the website, but also to sign up with their platform, which I'll still talk about a little bit later. But here you can also, like I said, it's a modular and decentralized alpha discovery platform coupled with a Telegram-based trading bot. So they have their own token as well, which is ASCN, excuse me, from Alphascan, which has a market cap right now of $1.4 million. So very, very low. Volume is also pretty low. So the price can actually be moved very, very easily. But small market cap, big value, big utility. And that's what we'll talk about. Quickly to go over the tokenomics. Tokenomics are great. 74% goes to the community, of which 25% to the DAO treasury, liquidity pool, public sale, which they had, which I did not participate in, but a lot of people I know did. And apart from that, 26% to the private sale team and advisors. And I know they have some great advisors, honest advisors as well. Nothing wrong with that. But now let's talk about the platform. The Telegram trading bot, if you want to learn more about that, I would go to their Twitter because they're launching it very, very soon. This is what they posted about an hour ago, that the bot is ready and that they will launch it for certain users, but they will launch it for the public as well a bit later. But this is the platform, all right? So they have multiple things. First of all, here you can actually see all sorts of different crypto influencers on Twitter. You can see how much followers they have. You can see the token performance after they tweet about it. And here you can see a nice timeline of all the tokens they tweet about. So this is perfect, all right? Because you can actually follow influencers that historically have good performance. And you can just follow, or at least you can find new crypto gems by just following what they tweet about. And then obviously, it's also up to you. It's also up to you to do research and buy the coins you want to buy. But this way you can actually find the crypto influencers that actually have good picks, that promote or at least mention crypto tokens that do well. Like for example, you have you can also sort it here at the right. You have, for example, Henry Vu, which I don't know, but over the last 30 days, his picks went up 150%. So, well, you could make the assumption that he knows a little bit about it. And then here you can see all of the tokens. You can look up those tokens, see if they're great, see if you think they have potential. And for example, you can also see here, some of them are mentioning Hilo, which is a token I also bought and is performing very, very well. But this way this is one of the best ways to find these low market cap, amazing cryptos. And this guy actually also mentioned Alphascan. But apart from that, you also have historical data. So here you see historical data over the last days and last weeks, how they performed with their mentions. You can also see tokens, all right? So that's perhaps even the best way. You can actually find tokens that are mentioned a lot, daily, weekly, and monthly. And then also what the token price is doing. So if you could scroll down a bit and find some tokens that have not been mentioned that much and have not grown that much in price either, which might be a great thing to invest in. And then apart from that, you also have narratives, but I don't find this too valuable yet. But especially like tokens, see how much they are mentioned by crypto influencers. And then tweets as well is a great interface, I think, to find real other crypto coins with potential, all right? Because like I said, I still remember when Pepe actually did well, the first time I heard about it was on Twitter, and the price had not gone up that much. And in general, I think crypto Twitter is one of the best places to actually learn about new tokens with a lot of potential early. All right, so that is what Alphascan is. I think we all can agree that it has a lot of value. Whether you believe in the token or not, that's a bit up to you. Right now, the token has had a rocky start. It has recovered quite a bit as well, but a rocky start, very low market cap, very low volume. So it's a high risk, high reward coin in the end. But I think with this market cap and with the value it actually has, I think it's a great pick. Definitely worth it to research for yourself as well. And in my opinion, and in my what I did, because I also bought some ASCN tokens, I think it's a great long-term and short-term pick as well. But that's my take on it. If you do have any questions about the whole project, let me know. I'll leave some links down in the pinned comment, I think. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.